Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to use compressed sound source correction. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Infotainment system. Let's select here the settings, so this gear icon. From the list of settings, let's choose the note icon to open the music settings, the EV settings. And now let's select the sound settings, the first option, and now you can enable the compressed sound source correction. If we tap it, you can enable this feature to mode 1 or to mode 2. So basically, what does this feature do? Digital music files like MP3 files, for example, are often compressed, which means some of the high and low frequency data is deleted to save file space. This can make the music sound thin or flat. So the logic of the following feature is this is like a digital signal processing tool. When this is on, the system uses an algorithm to reconstruct those lost frequencies, making low quality audio sound fluer and more dynamic. Why you should use it? If you listen to FM radio or older MP3 files, turning this on will significantly improve the richness of the sound. If you use high quality streaming like Tidal or Spotify, you can keep it off because it will work just fine without it. But I think it's good to enable this feature, and I like to use it on the mode 1. It's like the middle mode, so I will leave it like that. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.